Hey fellow explorers, welcome back. I'm Dr. Dylan, a scientist on a mission to uncover the incredible abilities of nature's superheroes. Today, I am here to introduce you to a tiny but mighty superhero, the bombardier beetle. These little guys might not look like much, but they're packing a serious defense mechanism that's out of this world. Imagine this. You're a beetle, minding your own business, when suddenly danger approaches. But wait, you've got a trick up your exoskeleton. When threatened, the bombardier beetle blasts out a hot, noxious chemical spray from its abdomen at attackers, like having your own built-in high-pressure water gun that shoots out boiling hot chemicals. This amazing ability helps the bombardier beetle survive in the wild. But like all superpowers, it comes with trade-offs. Producing this spray requires precision and energy. Now, here's the science behind this superpower. Inside the bombardier beetle, there are two separate chemical compartments in its abdomen. When combined, these chemicals react, producing a boiling hot and irritating spray that drives away predators. It's a defense system that can reach temperatures close to the boiling point of water. Despite the energy cost, this defense mechanism gives the beetle a survival advantage. They're equipped to fend off threats, ensuring their place in the ecosystem. And hey, it's one of nature's coolest chemical reactions. Thanks for watching. My name is Dr. Dylan. Till we meet again on our next adventure. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, fellow scientists.